Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Panjwani and today we are going to see how we can build this man as shown here in the app called Blender. So let us start. First we'll go to File, New, General. So this is the general layout of a Blender app. So we'll start. We'll first scale it to have the proper shape. Duplicate this object to make the face. And then we can move come to side view to properly arrange it. We'll press it G X and we'll move in X direction. Place it, select it G Y and move in Y direction so that it is in the middle. Again select it G and Z to move in Z axis like this. We'll just make it thin and move this Z axis a bit. Yep. And then we will again duplicate this object to make a hand. We'll come to side view, again scale down and move it in Y direction. Again select G, X, move in X direction. We'll scale it a bit so that it looks real. And Z in Z direction, just move it a little bit. Also in the Y direction a bit. Right, so it's proper. And we'll again duplicate this to make a leg. Scale down. Short. And then we will move it in Y direction in Z X direction. Place it. We'll arrange it properly. Just scale a little bit. Yeah, so here we have a leg. Again duplicating this object, scaling it down and selecting and pressing G to move to have a proper hand. And scale it a bit. Again G and move. Right. Bit scale down it. G X Y. Yeah, so here we have a hand. Similarly, we'll again duplicate and make the foot. Scaling it down, pressing G and move. come to side view, press G and move it. Back view, G and move it. Okay. To make it look real, we'll scale it. Right. And then G, move in X direction, right? And to fill this gap, we'll press G and Z and move it. Okay. Here is also some gaps, so we'll press G, Z and move. Okay. Now, so doing this same thing again for this side is will be like too hard or too time consuming. So we'll just use the property. We'll come to here, modifier properties, select the object, I select the lag and add modifier. We'll select mirror and we'll mirror it about this object Q. And then we'll select this one hand and we'll take its mirror image about X and Y axis and select the reference point as this main Q. So we got another hand. So if I will move this, then other hand also will by default move, right? It will do Control Z, undo. I will select this lag. Again, X and Y axis only. So we got this mirror image. Select this lag, put add modifier, mirror, X and Y axis, and reference as this Q. So we're getting this right. This and add modifier, mirror, X and Y, and this. So here we have our basic structure. It's a basic structure. Now for nose, we'll duplicate this object, scale it down. We will scale it down. Scale in X and Y direction as needed. And we'll select it, move out by moving along the X axis like this. And then we will come to edit mode by pressing tab. So here we are in tab mode, and then we will select the loop cut. We can see here loop cut. It will by default suggest. I will left click and just move above, and yes, and by num slash I can just maximize it or zoom out, and then I will come to edge select this edge and press it. Then I will press G and X to move it in X direction. Like this. And here we have the nose. Again, I will press num and slash so we can see the nose, right? You can select it. See, it's perfect. Now I just, so we will also make the eyes. Just duplicate this object, scale it down. We'll move it. We'll move this. Come to side view. Select, move along the X direction. We'll come to front view. Move it here. And select this object. Add modifier, mirror, and we'll take the mirror about this object cube. One. Just a second. We will select this and take the mirror image about the y-axis, allow reference to this cube. Yeah, so we got this, and now we will go to edit mode and we'll come to face mode by pressing 3. Select this front face. Now we will again duplicate this. We will go to object mode and select this objects, duplicate object, and then scale it down so that it should look like pupil. We'll move it above in the middle. Yeah, just a moment. We'll move it along the x-axis. Move it along y-axis. Yeah, so here we have a pupil. Now the eyes are ready of the man. You can see this. Now we have to make a torch which will be in the hand. So I will just scale down the hand. Move it along y-axis. So I will press Shift A, add mesh cylinder. I will just press it R and Y. I will rotate it along y-axis like this, and I will scale it down. Wait a minute. I will come to side view, scale it down. I will click num slash, select the front and the back face, or rather front face, and I will press G and X to extend it, and then again I will select the extrude, so it will extrude the region, and then scale. Then I will scale it, right? And then insert face. Just zoom out. Yeah, so it is looking like a torch. And again pressing num and slash. Yeah, now just we will make a mouth. We'll again go to object mode, select the nose, just scale it down little bit and move along Z axis a little bit above, and I will select this cube, duplicate it, place it here, scale it down, pressing G, again scaling it down, move. Yeah. So we have our old man ready, right? Now we will see this in render mode also. Just a second. We'll also add HDRI. Let's say this will increase opacity. Yes, now we can see the perfect old man. Yeah, so thanks for watching.